to Romit Koshti, and today we're creating a barcode app in MIT App Inventor. So let's open a web browser and then search for appinventor.mit.edu. So here's an option of create apps. You have to click on that. And then you need to sign in with the Gmail account. Only Gmail account, guys. So your all apps will come over here, and then you need to go to my project, start new project. Project name will be as barcode and QR code scanner. Okay, so let's write barcode only, barcode app. Okay, and then it will open a blank screen which is name is screen 1. So first you have to take this title will be as QR and barcode scanner. Yeah, or yeah, and this name is changed. So now guys, you need to add one button. Its width will be fill parent, and this height will be as 30%. Yeah, not 30, let's say 25. Yeah, and then text for button 1 will be as scan now and an exclamation mark. And then this font size will be changed to 20. Yeah, 25. Okay, and then background color will be changed to light gray. Let's say yellow. Yeah, and then guys, you need to take one text box, drag and drop this. Width will be fill parent. Yeah, and let's do this hint to result will be here. Yeah, and then guys, you need to then you need to go to the block section, and you need to go to designer section and take this sensors and this barcode scanner. This is the most important thing, and there's an option of use external scanner. You have to undo this, and then guys, you need to take one label. Yeah, and this label width will be as fill parent, and then this text will be as once scanned you can copy the text from above. Let's see if this fits. Yeah, it's fitting. And then guys, and all the designer part is done. So go to the block section, and when button 1 dot click, call barcode scanner 1 dot do scan, and then guys, you need to go to click on this barcode scanner. So when barcode 1 after scan, call text box 1 dot, where is the text option? Yeah, set text box text 2, text box 1 text 2, and then there's the variable of get result. You have to click on this, and then so guys, barcode QR and barcode scanner has been done. So what you need to do, so you need to click on this button first, and then when you scan some QR code or barcode, the text will be pasted over here, and once the text is over here, then you can copy the text from here and then paste it on the internet. So guys, this was for today. Hope you like it. Make sure to like and subscribe Romit Koshti for all these cool videos, guys. Goodbye.